This tutorial is for first grade, Module 2, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're going to use number bonds to help us make 10 when adding two numbers. The first problem is 9 plus 3. I want to break apart my 3 so that I can add 1 to my 9, and that helps me make my 10, and it makes it easier for me to solve the problem. So if I look at my 3, I'm going to break it into 1 and 2. 3 is the same thing as 1 and 2. That allows me to combine my 9 and my 1 to start with a 10. Now all I have to do is add in the extra 2. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12, and that's the same thing as 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3 also equals 12. Here's another example. If I'm going to add 9 plus 4, I can picture this on a number line. If I'm at 9 and I want to jump to 10, I would need one hop. So I'm going to break my 4 into 1 and 3. 1 and 3 make 4. That means I can start at 9, make one hop, and that will get me to 10. Now all I have to do is hop the extra 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. That means that 9 plus 4 is the same thing. 9 plus 4 is also 13. When I added my 4, I made the hop of 1, that got me to 10, and then I hopped 3 more, and that got me to 13. In this problem, I'm adding 9 plus 2. Well, I know that I need one more to add to my 9 to make 10, so I'm going to break my 2 into 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 makes 2. That means I can combine my 9 and my 1. That gives me 10. And I have 1 left over. 10 plus 1 is 11. That means that 9 plus 2 is also 11. I started the 9, I had one more, that got me to 10, and then one more, and that got me to 11. 9 plus 2 is the same thing as 10 plus 1. Now this question is just a little bit different because it has a number bond that shows the regrouping that we would do if we added 9 plus 6. So if I think about this, if I'm adding 9 plus 6, I'm going to take 1 from my 6 and combine it with my 9. That gives me 10. Since I took 1 from that 6, that tells me I had 5 left over. That's the other part of my number bond. 10 and 5 is 15. So 9 plus 6 is the same thing as 10 plus 5, and they both equal 15. And that's how using the number bond to help us make our 10 makes solving these types of problems easier.